They wander at the edge of eternity. Frozen, silent, and forgotten by time. No sunrise touches their surface. No wind dares to whisper their name. And yet, deep beneath their endless sheets of ice, something extraordinary might be waiting. Snowflake. These are the cosmic frozen worlds. Mysterious planets and moons scattered through the dark reaches of our solar system. Places where the temperature drops hundreds of degrees below freezing. Where sunlight is weaker than a candle in a storm. And where life, at least the kind we know, shouldn't exist at all. But the universe has never followed our rules. For centuries, we looked to warm, Earth-like planets as the only possible homes for life. But the deeper we explore, the more we realize, life might be far more adaptable, more creative, and more resilient than we ever imagined. Let's start with Europa, the icy moon of Jupiter. From space, it looks like a smooth marble, crisscrossed by deep cracks, scars from the immense forces beneath its surface. But below that icy crust lies a secret ocean, stretching deeper and wider than all of Earth's oceans combined. An entire new world, sealed off for billions of years. Imagine being there. A place where there is no sunlight. Only the glow of hydrothermal vents rising from the ocean floor, releasing heat, minerals, and energy. In those vents, on Earth, life thrives. Strange creatures, glowing bacteria. Organisms that survive in total darkness. If it can happen here, why not there? Then there's Enceladus, Saturn's dazzling moon. A frozen pearl wrapped in ice and mystery. When the Cassini spacecraft flew past it, it witnessed something unbelievable. Giant geysers of water and vapor shooting out from the South Pole, stretching hundreds of kilometers into space. It was as if the moon itself was crying out, revealing that under its frozen surface lies a hidden ocean, rich in organic molecules, the building blocks of life itself. Scientists analyzed the chemical composition of those plumes, and found traces of hydrogen, carbon, and complex molecules. The same ingredients that once created life on Earth. It's no longer science fiction. It's science waiting to happen. But the frozen worlds aren't just limited to our solar system. Far beyond, orbiting distant stars, astronomers have discovered exoplanets completely covered in ice. Planets where the temperature never rises above -200 degrees Celsius. Yet their atmospheres and chemical signatures hint that something might be stirring beneath the surface. Think about it. Life could be forming, evolving, or even thriving under layers of ice so thick that no sunlight has touched them for months. Entire civilizations, microbial, alien, or something we can't even imagine, might exist in silence, watching time pass beneath their frozen oceans. And maybe, long after our world is gone, these frozen worlds will continue to guard their secrets, keeping the flame of life alive in the coldest corners of the cosmos. The question isn't if life exists beyond Earth. The question is, how many forms of life are we yet to meet? NASA's upcoming missions, like Europa Clipper and Dragonfly, are preparing to dive deep into these frozen mysteries. They'll analyze ice samples, scan for organic matter, and maybe, just maybe, capture the first undeniable evidence that we are not alone. Imagine the moment when humanity hears the signal. When we realize that in a place of eternal frost, something has been living, breathing, and surviving all along. It would change everything. Our science, our religion, our understanding of what it means to exist. Because if life can flourish in the freezing dark, then the universe isn't empty. It's alive. It's filled with infinite stories waiting to be told. So next time you look at the night sky, don't just see stars. See oceans of ice, worlds of mystery, and maybe, reflections of ourselves. The unknown fascinates you. If you believe the universe still hides answers to questions we've yet to ask, then this is your journey. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon and join us as we travel through the frozen worlds, the fiery stars, and the infinite wonders of space. Because the more we explore, the closer we get to uncovering the truth of the universe and the truth about us. Rocket.